What I bring to you today is this s020 High Precision Creative Airbrush. When you open the box, the first thing you see is a product certificate, and J-Pen strictly controls the quality of each product. Take out the airbrush first, which is a double-action airbrush with a diameter at 0.0 and a minimum working air pressure at 7 psi. The small part with a capacity of 5 cc reduces the size of the pot for fine spraying under the condition of ensuring fine spraying. There is a small wrench in the box to disassemble the nozzle, and it is recommended that less disassembly will affect the accuracy of the airbrush. A small dropper for precise paint dispensing. Finally, there is an airbrush quick connector. After the airbrush is connected to the quick connector, the air pipe is connected to the quick coupling motor, so that the airbrush can be quickly replaced when spraying creation. This s020 airbrush is on the shelves. Now, if you want to own this product, please search for J-Pen Hobby on Amazon. J-Pen, let's get started.